Action. Alright, to put the springs on, a lot of people have issues with this. You may or may not have the hand strength to pull it to do it. If you don't, this spring feels like it's stretched a little bit. You can take a nice little piece of string, put it on there, and use it to pull it and get it over the rudder pin. Or our favorite is just take some vise grips that are lightly gripped there. Don't take it and crush it, but just lightly grip it. And we like to pull the spring towards us so that in case we lose the grip, it flies off that way. So make sure no one's downrange of where the spring is, and just slide it on that way. And we'll do the other side real quick. And there's a little bit more room to work down on this end with the vise grips than there is over the rudder cheek. And that's how we install rudder springs.